Historically, NCSE's mission has always been to support the teaching of evolution and climate change in public education. And our community initiative is really to show the teachers working in areas where there may not be a lot of broad acceptance of climate change and evolution, that they're not alone. Hi, I'm Kate Carter. I'm the new Director of Community Science Education. So the Science Booster Clubs have been around since 2015 and have been a great way for interested volunteers all over the country to really get a chance to work in their communities, to have respectful conversations, to make evolution and climate change more broadly accepted. So a Science Booster Club event, there's really no one ideal Science Booster Club. So we have groups that primarily work with youth, and we have groups that primarily work with retired people. A booster club activity can look like a lot of different things. A lot of times it looks kind of like chaos, but it's normally a lot of fun, and there's a lot of hands-on science learning happening. NCSE is a national organization, and we don't always know the right solution for each individual community. So I think one of the features of the Science Booster Club is we provide the infrastructure and the support to really help members of the community figure out a way to increase science literacy in their communities in a way that is right for that area. My goals for the Science Booster Club program in the upcoming years are to really start integrating graduate students and universities into the SBC program. So when grad students go through their training, a lot of times they don't get a lot of chance to do outreach, which means that they don't actually learn how to talk to the public. And if we really want to make actionable change, we really need to break down the barriers between scientists and non-scientists. I'm hoping that in 5 years' time, we'll have close to 100 active clubs who are reaching thousands of people every month.